Hey, this is John from Homestead Evolution. I was talking to one of my friends a couple days ago, and she was telling me about how short canned goods are and how bare the shelves were at Walmart. So I had to come take a look for myself. This is one of 3 Walmarts in my town. This is one of the largest ones. There's a lot of bare shelves. I've seen YouTubers talk about this down south and so forth, and I've seen pictures on the internet, but I wanted to come look for myself. It's a pretty big wake-up call to start laying in food for yourself, your family. It's a great way to spur yourself on to start canning, raising your own food. I was shocked, to be quite honest. It really blew me away. I've never seen the shelves that bare. I've always seen an empty hole maybe here and there when I would go into Walmart, because I always look at the food because it's a good motivator when I do go into why I grow my own, because everything's so expensive. Even at Walmart, the meats are expensive. I've been sort of trained by my wife for all these years. When you go into a store, you go look, see what's on sale, but it just blows me away, the cost. So it's definitely an eye-opening experience. One more reason to do what we're doing. We're thinking about buying a freeze dryer to freeze dry food, another way to store food. You know, we can now, we dehydrate, so we're just looking at another alternative method for stuff that's, you know, when it's in season, we can get it in bulk. You know, there's a lot of Mennonite that live down close to where we live, not that far, really, about an hour away. You know, buy food in bulk, buy, you know, sugar, flour, salt, things that you need, you know, and preserve those. But I was just really taken back by the way the shelves look. And this is during the week. There's not bad weather out. It's really, I mean, it's cold, but it's not that cold. No threat of anything. It's not a holiday. It's not like game day for football or anything. The shelves are bare. So it's definitely a wake-up call. I encourage everybody, go to your local supermarkets, go to your local Walmart, check it out. It's an eye-opening experience. So just wanted to share.